to San Antonio Living. We've got our next holiday recipe for you. If you watch the morning news, of course you know Albert Flores, but you always hear about the grandkids, and that's who's joining us this morning. Albert's good to see you.
Good morning.
I mean, these kids are infamous. They
infamous is the right term. Yeah, infamous is the right term. This is Trey Thorpe.
Hi, Trey.
Hello.
Hello.
He's going to be the stir guy.
Okay.
He's going to stir stuff for us. And then we have Kendall.
Kendall's
Kendall's
so cute.
the queen. She did the shopping, put everything together.
No, I didn't.
Well, some of the shopping with Grandma. But anyway, we're going to put it together and show you how this goes. This is a green bean casserole.
Okay.
And it's kind of kid-friendly, and it's easy. And so we kind of choose to do that stuff. So we're going to start off with a can of mushroom soup. You see that? Yeah. So I'm going to dump it in there.
Okay.
And Trey, do the stirring. Okay.
Trey's
go
like,
ahead.
I'm on top of that. I got that
He
stirring.
can stir. Okay, so he's got the stirring. And then what else is Kendall? Then 3/4 of a cup of milk,
Okay.
which we already pre-measured. So watch out, Trey, that we don't hit you with that.
Hey, Kendall, do they let you cook in the kitchen ever?
Yes.
What do you like to make? Stuff. Cookies, she
Cookies
says.
with Grandma.
I love
Okay,
it.
What else we got there?
Okay.
1 1/3 cup of French.
French fried onions.
These guys right
All
here.
right. Good old French fried onions. That adds the
Yeah.
crunch. That's the best part.
So we're gonna do. Yes, that's next. So we're
Grandpa,
gonna do. She's
Kendall has a
rushing me.
question. I know.
I know. She's ready. Okay,
I like
here.
Kendall. I
you
may
put
need,
this
we
in.
may need to hire her. Yeah, I know she's young, but you're doing a very good job.
Yeah.
And I do like your apron. Might we point out that Kendall's apron says Diva in Training? Are you really a diva?
A little bit.
A little bit.
Go ahead and pour that one in.
For
Okay.
extra.
Trey, you're doing a real good job over here.
He's Mr. Stir. Okay, what else is left? We need to put the half cup of chopped walnuts, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, the walnuts. Oh, I think we just pour the whole thing in there. I think Grandma had already
Yeah.
measured it.
I love that Grandma
Right?
Yeah, this is
pre-measured
the whole
everything.
thing.
Measure
Thanks,
it.
Grandma.
Toss it in there.
Good deal.
Okay, then we do, what else? Keep stirring, Trey.
Okay.
Oh, we have to do the dash.
Do you like walnuts? Yes, I do.
You like corn nuts?
Yeah,
He
now
does.
we're going to do the dash of pepper.
Just pepper.
Whoa! That
It's a
was
good
the dash. Okay, and what else we do? Then we do the chopped walnuts. Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Pour the whole thing in there.
And you said walnuts.
I know. That's
Grandpa,
fine.
that is bacon.
Okay.
Oh, that's bacon.
Come on, Kendall,
Okay.
set them straight. Here, we don't think we want this in there, though. Let me just get...
Oh, the little packet. We rehearsed
no,
that.
no.
Okay.
Here, stick it back in here for me.
Okay.
right,
Keep stirring,
there
Trey.
Okay.
Cool. Just never
All
know
right.
what happens on television, right?
And then the last thing we got to do is the green beans.
This looks good.
It is
I like the bacon
really
in there.
delicious. Okay. Green beans.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you like green beans?
Yes, I love green beans.
When you guys cook at home, do you ever do this, or do you get in trouble?
Sometimes I get
in
in
the
trouble
bowl,
for doing it.
mix mushroom soup, some milk, walnuts,
I always get in
bacon
trouble for
pieces,
doing that.
fried-
I know.
Keep stirring. Really,
I'm gonna
really,
talk to
really,
Grandma
really
and Grandpa
stir.
about that and tell them not to get mad.
Really, really stir it. Okay, I tell
okay.
you what, Shelley,
Pour-
you'll bring that over.
Oh, here it is.
Alright.
Pour her mix into
Here,
That's
Trey,
what we're doing.
let me give it a once over with this magic spatula
a
here.
half cup.
Got it. Got it. We're already past that.
Hold up, I'm not done with this recipe.
Hey.
Very good. That's it.
All right.
And then,
Should we pour it in?
yeah.
Yeah, just on into the old
Yeah.
casserole dish.
There you go. Perfect.
Oh, that looks like some good stuff, you guys.
That is really good. And then we cover it, right, Kendall, with
Yes,
this?
we cover it all over with the rest.
With the French fried onions.
Yes.
Yeah. And then we cook it for how long?
We cook it for like for 30 minutes and like in 300.
350, right, Trey?
Yeah, 350
350
degrees.
Okay, so-
350 degrees.
So
Perfect.
it goes in looking like that, and then it comes out.
Dun, 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 dun.
The magic of
Delicious.
TV.
Wow, you guys are good. I mean, that looks really good.
Trey's like, really?
I love it.
You know, and it's really fun. It's kid safe. It's easy. Who doesn't like green bean casserole?
I'll tell you what, that was fabulous. I enjoyed your stirring, Trey. That was a very nice job. And Kendall, good recipe reading. I like that. It's so nice to meet you guys. Thank you so much for coming. Good
Sure.
stuff. Albert's recipe is online. You can find it on our website. It's saliving.com. And you know, a South Texas holiday would not be the same without a fried turkey. So how do you do it? Well, we've got our favorite Latin cook, Diana Barrios Trevino, and family to show us the right way to fry a turkey. Take a look.
Hey guys.